Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Noun Monday. So, fact. Fact. A thing that is true. It is provably true. Provably. Provably. I can prove it. Here is the evidence. Here's the fact. Here's the evidence. Provably true. Yeah, whoops. Very good. Yep. So, something you know to be true. Something you know to be true. Yes. So, I know that fact. I know that. I know that fact. I've known that fact for a long time. I have known that fact for a long time. I know. I know. She knows that fact too. I told her it. The fact. Did you like these facts? So one fact, singular, and facts with an S, plural, 2 plus. So fact is 1 and facts is 2 plus. Facts. There are a lot of new facts for you to learn. Yes. Very much so. Yeah. To learn. So then if we say, it looked like a strange fact. It looked like a very strange fact. How could that be the case? How can that work? That's a strange fact. That is a strange fact. How can that be true? How can that be true? But it must be. But it must be. Must be. Yeah. You or we need to face facts. Face and facts. Approach the truth. Come to the truth. Face facts. Yeah. Come to the truth, but also to admit to the truth. Here it is, you can't deny it. Here it is, you can't deny it. Here it is, nothing you can do. You can't deny it. Here's the fact. That's it. Yeah, very important. Yeah. Yeah. So I have a book about interesting facts. Yeah, and I plan interesting facts. I plan on recording some lessons where I talk about facts so people can learn more English. Yeah, oops. Yeah, English, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So facts will change as we learn and discover new things over time. What we know and what we think are facts now could be disproven in the future. In the future, as we learn new things. These facts today could be proven false. False as we learn new things in the future. Yeah. See, I'm always learning new facts. Yeah. About psychology, marketing, and beyond. Yes. One fact, two facts. Facts. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, facts. So, can you write your own sentence with fact in it, yeah, and put it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos on their way. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can find me on Udemy as well. Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.